You deserve so much better, and I'm here to give it to you. No cap. Okay. What's good, KFAM? We got Rain, Switch to Me, duet with JYP, MV. Some of y'all have been saying, bro, do this, and I keep forgetting, bro, but we're here now. Okay, let's get straight to it, bro. Kings, yeah.
형 요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되시니까.
다 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 난리도 아니던데. 명성이 자자해.
그래도 형 따라가려면 멀었죠 뭐.
금방 따라잡겠던데.
Respect.
그거 다 형한테 배운 건데요 뭐.
Yeah. Wait, so Rain was signed under JYP, right? Or did JYP like mentor Rain? Is that why this is kind of, because I don't know like the history too well, you feel me? But like that's the gist, right? Let me know. They got the same target. They hitman. Target for what? You gonna kill her, bro? Yo.
네가 너무 아까워. 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도. 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도.
Right there, bro, before you even get into the rest, JYP already stole your girl. Don't let that man JYP sing to your girl, bro. Don't let him do that. Gracious. It's over with. Okay. With the moves. They too cool with it, bro. Gracious. Rain, I see them abs. Yeah. This is crazy, bro. I don't endorse this, bro. Let the girl be with her mans, bro. We don't need to be stealing girls out here, bro. You feel me? I used to be a, one of those, Mr. Steal Your Girl, I used to be one of those kind of guys, bro. But I was like, is it worth it? Because honestly, let's think about this, bro. If you can steal someone's girl from their mans, let's think about this, bro. If you can do that, what are the chances that it's gonna happen to you too? She's not loyal.
She belongs to the streets.
You don't want that. Okay, that's not what we want over here, bro. Yeah. You see that little stabilization effect, like had them centered in the middle, bro. Rain loves showing off his abs, bro. We get it, bro. Okay, you in the gym, I get it. Okay, go ahead, bro. Okay, Rain, okay. We get it, bro. I love the facial expressions, bro. Like, man's feeling himself, bro. Like, this is how it's gotta be done. You feel me? You have to be able to feel yourself like this, bro. The confidence, that's all you need.
없는 자식 손자 생긴 후에도 절대로 널 혼자 두지 않아 Let me love you and hold ya 날 봐 지금 이 기회 다시금 오지 않을지도 몰라
Rain, we get it, bro. You go to the gym, you're ripped. You making a whole lot of men jealous right now. You feel me? Again, don't let Rain walk up on your girl in a pool like this. It's over with for you. You feel me? Unless you're that ripped, unless you look like this, it's over with. It's raps. Like you have no chance, bro. Honestly, let's think about this honestly, bro. Like, I know we all say looks don't matter, blah blah blah, all that, you know, cliche, but looks do matter at the end of the day, bro. If you're attracted to someone, bro, you're more likely to involve yourself with that person. And I'm gonna leave it right there, bro. You see? Gracious. This little slide right here, bro. This little dance. Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, with the splits at the end, bro, they ain't playing. Big baller, shot caller, boss things. Watch her not even choose either of them. Watch. I'm predicting it. Nah, but she got to, right? What did I say, bro? She saw the way he was hitting that and she was like, you know what? So it's not even a tough decision, really. Tough. How did I call that? I mean, I guess you know where these things are going, bro, but vibes, the song was a vibe. Okay, again, I don't, you know, endorse stealing anyone's girl or anyone's man's for that matter. Let's leave people be, bro. Let's not be homewreckers out here, bro. But if you genuinely like a girl, let's think about this, bro. If you genuinely like a girl and you know she's being mistreated, and the simp in you is like, you know what, you deserve so much better, and I'm here to give it to you. No cap. Okay, I allow that. Go ahead, bro. Do what you gotta do, sis. Bro, do what you gotta do in that situation. But if you know they're happy with that person, bro, like, just leave them be, bro. Let them be, bro. Gracious.
She belongs to the streets.
We're popping up, nobody stopping us. I ain't never